And we're back on the saddle, guys. And today we got ourselves a box here. We're gonna do another unboxing video. If you watched my last unboxing video, you probably have an idea what's inside here. So we're just gonna pray and hope that hopefully what we ordered is actually what we get. You know what today is? Neither do I. So let's go ahead and ask Google. Hey Google, what's today?
It's Friday, September 29th, 2023.
That's right, it's straight up Friday, guys. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what we got inside. Let's check this out. For all my ASMR fans. And like we talked about before, whenever you cut something open, you always want to cut away from yourself, not towards yourself, because we practice safety around her. Oh, what the? Stuck. Watch your fingers, guys. Whenever you're handling a sharp object, always consult your parents if you're under the age of a minor. And let's see what we got inside. All right, let's see what we got inside. We got the sealed, airtight blue product strip. And the, I know we got this paper, guys. But as you can see, what we have here. Oh, snaps. We have. Sheesh, is this the right one this time? Verizon, you did yourself a good job because you got it right this time. And we got ourselves the 15 Pro Max, and this is the 1 terabyte, 1 billion bytes. My goodness. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this unboxing going and let's check this out. Listen to this, guys. What about this one? So this is the 15 Pro Max, and this is the unboxing for it. So let's see what we got inside. So this is the 15 Pro Max, and as you can see, I got it in the titanium blue. This is the 1 terabyte here. And yeah, look at that finish. It's a nice finish. I got it in blue because it reminds me of my good old boy Stitch. So what else do we have in the packaging here? Probably the same thing as the Pro, and looks like it is. We got ourselves the C2C link here. And we also got designed in Apple in California, designed by Apple in California, which is our warnings and instructions or something. And then also the good old Apple logo sticker. So you got that. You got your C2C cable here and your phone. Once again, it doesn't come with a power adapter. You have to actually buy that separately if you want. I got the 20 watt separately, and this has the C-Link port. Sorry guys, Jesus was calling me and I had to answer that. Can't let him go to voicemail, come on now. And so let's continue with the unboxing here. So let's hear this. This is where the C-Link cable is, the C-Link port is now. Once again, it's me, what's up guys? Now let's turn this bad boy on. Let this load up. Once it loads up, get it all started. So there we go. And this is the home screen, just like how we saw in the 15 Pro. The Pro Max is pretty much the same thing. And it's going to tell you all hello in all these different languages here. So let's go ahead and get this set up now. The US of A. And we're gonna just have it all stock so you can kind of see what we're looking at here. Continue without Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Wait, what? What did I do? I didn't even read. Continue without Wi-Fi. And it's gonna take a couple of minutes to activate, so we'll come back when it's all ready to roll. So now we've got the software update, but we'll update it later, just so we can kind of go through and you guys can see the home screen here. And I'll set it up later, set up that later. Don't have one. So we're gonna act like we don't have one. Set up later. Sure, yep, I don't want to use Apple ID right now. We'll agree to the terms and conditions and sell my life away. Sell my soul. JK, never. Soul belongs to Jesus. And we're gonna continue. Only download automatically. Nope. Nope, we don't want to do that. We'll do this later. Disable. Come on, bro. We just wanna. Oh my gosh. So many prompts, man. So yeah, so once again, the 15 Pro also has the action button here. They got rid of the notch, and so now that action button is actually programmable, and you can have it either open up your camera, turn on a flashlight, or access a different iPhone feature. So we'll set that up later. And emergency save our skins. And here we go. Welcome to iPhone. So here's the home screen, and just like the 15 Pro, it looks exactly the same with the home screen, but notice the transition between the screens like this. It's pretty smooth, I thought. I thought that's smoother than before. Could just be that I'm so used to 12 Pro. That's what I actually shoot and record on. This is gonna be my new setup for YouTube. I'm gonna use it to vlog and stuff. So yeah, right now I'm currently using just a 12 Pro Max. So this is gonna be a pretty big difference. But yeah, I like the transition between the screens here. I thought it was pretty smooth. But yeah, the major differences between the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max is that the 15 Pro has a 6.1 screen, and then the 15 Pro Max has a 6.7 inch screen. So also the 15 Pro has a 48 megapixel camera with 3 times telephoto lens, but the Pro Max has the same 48 megapixel camera, but it has a 5 times telephoto lens. So I didn't get to show that in the Pro and the old in the other unboxing, but I'll show kind of, maybe I can show it here. So yeah, you can see it goes up to, it has that 5 telephoto lens, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool feature. And same thing for video, it has the 5 telephoto lens. Sorry about that, the phone overheated again while I'm recording. Yeah, so everything about the 15 Pro Max is pretty much better than the Pro, obviously. Like I mentioned, the difference between the display is the 15 Pro has a 6.1 inch screen, and the Pro Max actually has a 6.7 inch screen. And then they both have that dynamic island, of course, and all the same screen features. They both also have the A17 Pro chip, which is good. And the main difference between the camera systems is the 15 Pro has the 48 megapixel, but once again, it goes up to, it has that 3 times telephoto lens, versus the Pro Max actually has a 5 times telephoto lens in it. So yeah, like I showed you here, it can go up to the 5 times. And yeah, in the Pro, it only goes up to 3 times. It's pretty much it. They're both identical. Everything else wise, I believe the colors are the same. Let's see. Yeah, they're pretty much identical. The other big difference is battery life. So they say that the Pro Max has a 29-hour battery life for movies, and the Pro is a 23-hour battery life. Yeah, so pretty much the main difference between a Pro and a Pro Max is 1, screen size, 2, the camera is better for the Pro Max, and 3, the battery life lasts longer, obviously, with the Pro Max versus the Pro. And the other main difference actually is that the Pro comes in a 128 gig, which is their smallest size, and Pro Max's smallest size is a 256. It goes Pro Max is 256, a 512, then a 1 terabyte, which is what this is. And the Pro is a 128, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte, which is what I had previously. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for watching. That pretty much sums up our unboxing video here. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll try my best to answer them. And if not, then you know what time it is, guys. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and checking out this unboxing video of the 15 Pro Max. They actually sent us the right one this time. This is the 1 terabyte blue titanium. Shout out to Verizon, good job. You sent the correct one this time. You know what time it is. It's time to dip, tip, chip. And we'll see you at the next rodeo. Well, looky who we have here. We got ourselves a nice little package that's got some licorice tape on there, and you know what time it is. It's time to chop it up. What the? Get off me. Bro, Alex. Over here blasting some TikTok. Man, dude. Hold on, guys. And bro, what's up with Alex, bro? Over here blasting TikTok like loud. Hold on, bro. Hold on. So I freaking messaged Alex on my computer saying to chill the TikTok noises so we can get this unboxing going. So let's finish this up here, guys. Yeah, I'm wearing a bright yellow shirt today. Usually I'm in something orange, but decided to change it up and we got a yellow shirt. SOS, which means save our skins. It's time to, I need to get some chips, bro. You wanna know why? Because it's time to dip potato chip. And we'll see you at the next rodeo. It's time to dip. It's time, you know what time it is, guys. It's time to dip potato chip. And we'll see you at the next. Oh man, that was pretty cringe. I need some chips. I need some dips. I can really be like. Actually, that sounds pretty schmack right now. But what's even sounds more schmack is actually we're about to go to Red Hot Casino to the buffet. And we're about to get our grub on. And here comes Alex out of the toilet. Alex, you know what time it is? He's just gonna ignore me like that. All right, fine. Let's see how it is. What time is it, Alex? Okay, he's just gonna double ignore me. Dang. Thought what we had was something special.
I thought what we had was special!
We'll see you at the next. This is your part, Alex. We'll see you at the next. Oh my gosh, Alex ain't gonna say it. Alright, take 100. You know what time it is. It's time to... What the...